What's up? How you doing? What's good with you? What's good? Nah, but for real, Dr. Miami of car raps, and that thing right there is atrocious. Great car, amazing car, but those factory stripes on it gots to go. What we gonna do today is a little removal, really nice and clean, and then restripe it the right way. So follow us right now, because this journey is not gonna stop. Every day is a new day for us to achieve the things that we put our will to do. So watch me now. Let me introduce you to what this type of car is right here too. Mustang GT 5.0. As you can see, they tried to take it off already, and it did all right, but it got really difficult in these spots because you see all of that. It looks like a dry desert right there, you know? Whew. So let's make this car back to where it's supposed to be.
Take a slide, find your zone every day.